If KB5077241 is not installing on your Windows 11 PC and you're getting error codes 0x80070306, 0x80070306, or 0x80070306, follow these steps. First, click the Start menu button, type Services in Windows Search, and open it. Once it's open, find Windows Update, double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, then Start if available. Right-click and select Restart. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service and App Readiness. Now go to Settings. Windows Update, click Pause, Updates. Wait a few seconds. Then click Resume Updates and try again. If the issue continues, open Command Prompt. Type CMD in the search bar, right-click on Command Prompts, and select Run as Administrator. Run the SFC scan command and wait until it completes. Then run the DISM Restore Health command. After both scans are finished, you restart your computer and check. Still not fixed? Visit the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Search for KB5077241. Download the correct version based on your Windows version and system type, and install it manually. If it still fails, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery and Use. Fix problems using Windows Update to reinstall Windows without losing files. As a last option, use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant or Media Creation tool to perform an in-place upgrade while keeping your data. One of these methods should resolve the error. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel